Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from Rao's Academy for Competitive Exams, Bhopal, and this is a special series on daily news review. Before moving any further, do hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you don't miss any updates. Let's see what is in the news. A school in Hyderabad introduced your first teaching robot in India that is named as Eagle Robot, which is developed by the school as part of a collaborative learning model. Let's understand something about the Eagle Robot. It is capable of teaching students of grade 5th to 11th in the classroom along with a human teacher and also in a standalone mode. This also knows the 13 different language and can clarify doubts and can conduct an automated assessment at the end of the class using analytics. Eagle Robot programmed to teach all the science and humanitarian subjects, including languages. Children can connect with the robot through the devices like mobile tablets and laptops. In a historic move, the United Nations General Assembly declared that everyone on the planet has a right to a healthy, sustainable, and clean environment and declared it as a universal human right. The General Assembly said that climate change and environmental degradation were some of the most pressing threats to the human future. Let's understand something about the UNEP. It was founded on 5th of June 1972 under the United Nations Conference of Human Environment. UNEP is the global authority that sets the environmental agenda, promotes the coherent implementation of the environmental dimension of sustainable development within the United Nations system, and serve as the authoritative advocate for the global environment. It has some key features that it works on properly, that is climate change, ecosystem management, disaster and conflicts, environmental governance, resource efficiency, chemicals and waste, environment under review. It also releases some very important reports. Those are emission gap report, adaptation gap report, global environment outlook, frontiers, invest into healthy planets. Swachh Sagar Surakshit Sagar campaign. The Ministry of Earth Science has launched a coastal cleanup drive under the Swachh Sagar Surakshit Sagar campaign to clean 75 beaches across the country in 75 days. This year, event also coincides with the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav in 75th year of the country's independence. The coastal cleanup drive will be carried out at the 75 beaches across the country. A 75-day long campaign will be launched from 3rd of July 2022 to raise awareness among about Swachh Sagar Surakshit Sagar. It is the first of its kind and longest running coastal cleanup campaign in the world with the highest number of people participating in it. The campaign will culminate the International Coastal Cleanup Day that celebrates on 17 September 2022 that aims to increase public awareness about the accumulation and negative impact of litter in ocean on coastal lines and on the beaches. EcoMitram app has also been launched to spread awareness about the campaign and also for the common people for voluntary registration for the beach cleaning activity. The objective behind this campaign is to reduce the marine litter, to promote sustainable coastal tourism, ensuring favorable habitation for the aquatic life and marine animal, and to say no use and minimum use of plastic, and also to encourage waste management. The Ministry of Commerce and Industry is planning to replace the 8 years old Coffee Act 1942 with the new Coffee Promotion and Development Bill 2022. The Coffee Act 1942 was first introduced during World War II in order to protect the struggling Indian coffee industry from the economic downturn caused by the war. Let's understand the reason behind scrapping the previous act. The substantive portion of the Coffee Act 1942, which deals with pooling and marketing of the commodity, have become very old and very restrictive. Whereas the new legislation is now primarily concerned with promoting the sales and consumption of the Indian coffee, including through e-commerce platform with fewer government restrictions. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched India's first international bullion exchange IIBE at Gujarat International Finance City GIFT Gift City in Gandhinagar. This is the first of its kind in the country. Gift City is the city where the free trade zone and has no duty to be paid off. It aims to standardize the gold pricing in India, also assurance the quality of gold. It further seeks to easier for small bullion dealers and drillers to trade. With this, India can not only influence the gold pricing but also play a role in setting the gold prices. That also enables the greater integration with other segments of financial market and help establishing India posh as a dominant trading hub in the world. It will also provide an option to trade in gold and silver in US dollars. Multi-agency group for investigation of foreign asset case. Magifec Group was set up by the government for expedition coordinated investigation of various categories of foreign asset cases. It is an interagency group of enforcement agency for the coordinated investigation of various categories of foreign asset cases like Panama paper leaks, Pandora papers, Paradise paper, etc. So this is it for today. Join our batches for MPPSC, UPSC Civil Services examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video. Do comment your valuable feedback. Also press the subscribe button so you don't miss any updates. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you and see you tomorrow.